I think in terms of the business, for us, it's been a pleasure. We are really excited with the opportunities and the things that we are seeing and implementations that step by step is improving our daily routines and our vision of the future. So far, everything is perfect. Thank you and your team because you are really pushing us to the results because sometimes we are struggling internally because we have so many things to do. And in your team, you are helping us a lot and pushing us to deliver the project and pushing us to deliver the gains of the project. Okay, so thanks a lot for that. We are learning a lot how to develop and how to implement AI. So my pleasure here. And let's work together. We have a lot of new things to implement.
Very good. It's our pleasure to this project. Galo, any final thoughts?
No, I think I want to thank you for this opportunity. So for us, it's really good always to have this one-on-one, this direct feedback, right, from the clients.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for having us.